Okay, I have a bachelor's in mechanical engineering, a master's in petroleum engineering, and master's in mineral economics. Both the masters are from a very well-known institution in the United States, Colorado School of Mines. After I came out of the Colorado School of Mines, I started working in US as a reservoir engineer, a petroleum engineer, worked with different companies. Then from there I moved to Qatar Petroleum. I spent 13 years there as a head of economics and planning, head of operations and planning. And then from there I came to Saudi Aramco. So currently I'm working with Saudi Aramco as a petroleum engineering consultant. And my main job is actually doing feasibility studies and due diligence in projects. And my emphasis had been all the time on commercial aspects of the business. I have also written 4 books, 2 on petroleum engineering and 2 on project economics and decision analysis. Most of my approach, the reason I have written these books and that I emphasize a practical approach rather than textbook approach to the industry, because there are a lot of concepts that the people use on textbook basis, and some of them are really not applicable in practical life. You have to change them or adopt the methods differently when you come with the practice. Yeah, I worked on a lot of different projects. I've been involved in major field developments in different countries, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, in Qatar, Syria, Oman, and United States, obviously, because I started there. And then in Qatar, I worked with the LNG projects, I worked with the GTL project, and the power plant projects, and aluminum smelters. So I have a very diversified background in handling most of these situations, and especially on the commercial aspects of the business. I love to teach, and the reason I love to teach is I want to convey the expertise that I have, and especially, like I said before, I want to emphasize the practical aspects of the business, because that is what is lacking in the industry. Is textbook approaches, a lot of people teach, but the practical aspects of the business are very rare. So I like to emphasize the practical aspects of the business and try to transfer my knowledge and my know-how to other people. The future of the oil and gas industry is very, very challenging. The things are becoming really risky, costly. Those days are gone when the oil used to be cheap. The exploration is becoming much more difficult, much more challenging. The probability of success is going down. The cost of oil that we are finding or we are developing is becoming much higher than in the past. So all these, the reservoirs are becoming older. They need more challenging, more technology, more know-how to be able to maximize our recoveries from these old reservoirs. So the future generation really has a lot of challenges to work with, and that's why we need to make sure that we keep abreast of the training and learn new techniques and learn new methods to be able to cope up with these challenges.